Welcome back, guys, for another Canva tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So let me just pull up the one that I have been using here. So I made this from a template. So I did actually show it on my TikTok page. So this is the template. So as you can see, all of these are different elements that I can move around and play with as I please. So this is the actual mock-up itself, and I have just been using this for like every video. So I'll change up the colors, I'll change up the words, and make them bigger or smaller depending on what I want to do. And I put different graphics here in the corner just so it's like consistent, so people know it's my channel, but also like so it's different, so they know what the video is. Because the thumbnail is good. And here is my like little outro video that I have. So I download this as an MP4 video, and then I do all my editing in Canva. So like I have uploaded this to my actual videos section. So I just have it here. So when I'm editing, I drop it at the end. But let's go back up to this mock-up video. So I'm gonna actually show you how I made it. So I'm going to click on the home button, and I'm going to go to the search bar here, and I'm going to type in YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to click on this one and see what pops up here. All right, so you could do a completely blank one, or you could pick one of these templates to edit. So there are so many. It just really truly depends on what you want to do. But I think I'm just going to look here and see. There are quite a few. So yeah, like this one has a frame in it. Just for you guys, I'm going to show you how to do both. So I'll show you how to edit a template, and then I'll show you how to make one from scratch. So let me go back up to the top here. This one is ooh, I like this one. Okay, let's do this one. All right. Okay, so yeah, this is a frame. She's got her face in there. It's got tons of different elements. It's got words. So one of the first things I kind of want to do is come over to styles, and I can pick my brand pack, and it will automatically change the colors to my brand. Now you can change it up as well. That's the really cool thing about styles. So if you're doing like Canva templates, you can just have like so many different ones just by hitting the styles button. So these are gorgeous. I'm just going to do the one for my brand colors here. And now since this is a frame, she just literally dropped her face into it. I'm going to go to the uploads button, and I'm going to like, let me see if I like drop these dogs in there. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Now let's see. And I can change up these. I can say like my dogs. Oh, okay, let's put like a day in the life of my pups, of my dogs. All right, here we go. And I'm going to actually change it so it's centered here. And I'm going to make the words way bigger, because when it's a thumbnail, you want the words to be big so people know what the video is about, because they're not going to click it if it just really, I mean, I guess I've clicked a lot of videos, but it's better if you do it like this, and you can kind of shrink it and make it bigger. I like to hit the effects tab and just kind of play around with it and see like what's going to look the coolest. Oh, I like that. I do like that. I'm going to see, ooh, and then can I make the black a different color? Ooh, it's blending in. Ooh, it's gray. So many different things you can do. I actually, now that I'm looking at it, I I hate that font. I hate the font that they're using, so I'm going to change it. A day in the life of my dog. Dude, cute. Hello. I love it. Okay, now let's go back here and make this black. Gorgeous. Am I right? Now they've got the subscribe button. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it ginormous. Like, yeah, I like that. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay. And I'm going to move this around. I'm going to move these a bit. Make this a little bigger. Yeah, I'll make this a lot bigger. Ooh, I like that. Now I kind of want to add some like dog stuff, dog treats. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh. Okay, so I can do some random stuff like that, and I can edit this and just make it different. Like maybe I don't want all of these to be this color. Oh wow, it just disappeared. I do kind of want, and then I could make this one like a lighter color, and then make this one like gray. Yeah, I can make this one gray, and then make this one the dark pink. And this one, I'll just leave this with it. I'll just make these the dark pink, and then these can be, that's looking good. Ooh, and maybe I should make the word white. Ooh, yeah, I like that. I'm digging this a lot. Or I could even do the same. So make it that and then make it black. Isn't that what they had it like as before? Okay. So as you can see, you can change it up as much as you want, really. It's really up to you. So I think I am digging this. Okay, so a day in the life of my dogs. And I'm just gonna, yeah, I think that is so cute and funny. We can make this bigger if we wanted to. Okay, look at this. Now we are getting somewhere. Okay, so that is how you edit a template. So now I'm gonna add a page, and now I have a blank page. Now I'm going to make the canvas. Okay, I'm gonna make it black, and then I'm going to go to my uploads, and I'm gonna use the dogs again as an example here. Okay, now I've got them here. Now I'm gonna add a text box, and I'm going to say dog days, something like that, and we can make the word yellow, and then we can do an effect, and ooh, and I can make it white. How about that, or pink? Or yeah, actually if I go to the shadow and I crank up the transparency and make it white, and then I can make the actual words like blue. And then I can go to elements and I can type in bones. Can I type it in? I can duplicate it. And okay, now I'm going to put the position to backwards, and I'm going to put the position on this one to backwards as well. Okay, now I think I probably want to put a little blob underneath that, maybe like a blob. I don't know why this is so cute and fun. I'm having a good old time. All right, here's a blog that I can kind of make. Boop. Okay. And just so you can see the word a little better, maybe it should be even bigger than that. Okay, now I can go ahead and push it backwards so it's behind Tonka. And I can make it... Okay, let's make it gray. Okay, so this is another... let's do the subscribe button too. Now let's do a YouTube subscribe button as well. We gotta have one of those. Okay, cool. Now we can have it right underneath, or we can have it in the side. We can have it like on the side here. Big. All right, so here's the first one where we did it from a template. And here's the second one where we just did it in general. And I can even change, anything about this, but what do you guys think? These are cute. And then what you would do is go to share, and then you download them as a PNG, and then it'll download to your computer. And then there you have it, guys. I hope this was super helpful. Happy creating!